Good morning, we're here at King's Dominion for our first flights on Rapterra, which is the world's tallest, fastest launched wing roller coaster. We've got a lot of coasters in Orlando, but we don't have one of these. Alright, we're putting straight out of the station into the launch. You can hear the jungle drums as we get ready to fly. Whoa! Straight into it! Whoa! Whoa! You get a lot of airtime on the top of that. Into the barrel roll! Whoa! There's one more! Whoa! And we land gracefully and pull back into the station. Wow, that's very smooth, very forceful, very fun. The ride feels great, the aero looks great. Definitely recommend you get out and give this ride a try.